Welcome everyone. Got another brickhead today. Tusken Raider, sand person, I guess. I've been liking these brickheads. I think I've got one more after this one, but it's actually not a Star Wars themed one, but I think it'll be pretty cool. Let's see, 152 pieces. I think looks like it's got some interesting special pieces or unique pieces, I guess. And I misplaced my knife. I'm gonna open it. I guess handy dandy will do the trick. It's probably sharp enough. There we go. Alright. Typical brickhead. 3 bags, a base plate, and an instruction manual. Alright. If you're new here, I'm just gonna knoll this out and I'll come back and do it in high speed with some music underneath it. That's just how I do these things. I try and get, you can probably tell by the thumbnail, 5 to 7 minute video, somewhere in that range. Otherwise, I'll talk to you a bit at the end. Be alright. Okay, that one came together rather quickly. Got the typical few spare parts left there. You know, pretty much standard operating procedure. But, you know, looks good to me. Got the got his gaffy stick and his, you know, musket. I think, you know, I said it before and I'll say it again. It's amazing to me that the Lego engineers can do this stuff and make things work together to, you know, it just works. You know, it just makes, you know exactly what this is looking at it. There's no doubt about it. And it's just, you know, a bunch of little blocks. But, yeah, like I said, I dig the brick heads. I'll take a look, see if there's any more that I'm into. Because I am getting a little low. Next week I think I'm back to another car. But yeah. But that's our Lego Tusken Raider sand person. Okay, so thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because it's going to keep going for a while yet. Have a good day, good month, good week, good year, good life. Bye.